Gotta take these out. It's gonna be annoying. So I'm trying to hype myself up.
CoChettaXO bomb, she the bumpy. Hairstyle, lifestyle, vlogs on the way.
And the struggle begins. This is why I feel like my hair doesn't grow, because I have the hardest time taking my braids down and my twists down. I recently started to twist at the bottom and not braid to try and reduce some of this, but still a no-go. Still working on that length retention. Let me know I'm not the only one out here, guys. Okay, we're all taken out. Now, just gonna separate these cuties. So we're gonna put one side up and start on the right side. So I'm just using my thumbs to gently like separate it at the root and tip. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just don't want to snatch them apart. I want to leave them with some of those cute little curls. So I'm just pulling and like stretching with my thumb, pulling and separating with my thumb. That's what I'm doing. Even though I'm separating them ever so delicately, I just still feel like I'm not getting enough definition. Again, I'm trying to just pull, stretch it. I'm not even trying to put my fingers all through it. All right, we halfway done. I honestly liked it better before doing the extra separating. What do y'all think? Let's do the other side. Finally finished. And although I like the other one better, I love it, okay? I look fly. And I'm gonna twist it up because I am, because I want to, because I feel like it.
Life goes on and 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 on. On and 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 on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.